Today, I wanted to do a review on one of the best luxury mid-size SUV that's available out there for you guys to buy, the 2014 Mercedes-Benz ML350, which offers seating for 5 passengers. It is strong and sturdy underneath. The M-Class is smooth on every surface, much like the way it moves, refined aerodynamics, and hence its stable handling and quiet comfort. Brilliant details hint at its innovative luxury, from its glistening chrome accents to its LED lighting. The ML350 is engineered specifically for performance driving. Agility control suspension automatically adjusts the individual shock absorbers based on the road surface and the driver's current driving style. Valving inside each shock absorber automatically firms up during stronger body motions for sharper handling feedback and stability, and reduces the damping rates during gentler motion for a smoother, more composed ride. Up front, you see the adaptive bi-xenon headlamps. Integrated into the headlamps is the LED turn signal lamps, as well as the LED daytime running lamps that catches attention from oncoming motorists. Here is the triple chrome bar grille with a Mercedes-Benz logo in the middle. Park assist and LED fog lights are also built into the front bumper. Here's the hood vent, one on each side, which give the ML350 a more aggressive look. This particular model comes with an upgraded option, 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. They are fitted with 255, 50 or 19 all-season tires for an optimal year-round balance of sure-footed handling and quiet ride. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. Here is the brushed aluminum running boards with rubber studs. It is stylish and functional. To the back, you see the LED tail lamps, LED brake lamps, and LED turn signal lamps. LED tail lamps with a fiber optic effect make an equally eye-catching impression as you accelerate away. As you can see, there is a lot of chrome accenting trims in the back. And here's the third brake light located on the roof spoiler. At the bottom is the chrome rear diffuser, as well as the towing kit. Alright, let's check out the interior. Here on the remote, I have the unlock, trunk release, lock, and panic buttons. The ML350 does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the door handle to unlock. The interior features full black leather seats with white contrast stitching on it, as well as aluminum and wood accenting trims on the dash, door panels, and center console. Very nice. Alright, let's get into the car and start it up and see how it sounds. Alright, let's pop the hood and see what I have to offer. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter direct injection V6 engine, 7-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifter. Rear-wheel drive, pushing out 302 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 273 pound-feet of torque. Can hit from 0 to 60 in 7.3 seconds. EPA estimated fuel economy is 18 city, 24 highway, and 20 combined. Top speed is limited to 134 miles per hour in the US. Alright, let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. 3-position memory seating for both driver and passenger. All 4 windows are fully automatic. And here's the trunk release button. Here's the door storage. Mercedes-Benz aluminum door sill. Alright, here's a closer look at the seat. Both front seats feature 14-way power seats with memory. Intuitive seat shape control on the door help you find your ideal driving position with 14-way power adjustment, including 4-way power lumbar support. A memory system recall 3-star position for driver seats plus the power steering column and side mirrors. The multi-function steering wheel is fully wrapped in leather. Feels really nice, with silver aluminum trims around it, with multi-function control side by side for your convenience. And behind the wheels is the set of paddle shifter, just in case you want to drive it in manual mode. And it does come with tilt and telescopic steering column. And there's the gearbox. Up for reverse. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will display on the navigation screens for a much easier backup. Slightly down for neutral and down again for drive. Press the P for park. Over here we have the light control as well as your fog light. And here's the driver side air vent. Looks really nice. And here we have the large multimedia screen with aluminum trims around it. Multimedia controlled. Dual climate controlled. Dual cup holder for front passengers. Ashtray and a cigarette lighter. Storage compartment. And here at the center console we have the control for your infotainment system. You can move it up, down, right or left, or scroll the knob to move around the screen, or push down to select. Pretty simple to use. Center storage compartment. With USB and auxiliary input, as well as the media interface cable. Glove box compartment. And here's a closer look at the front seat. Beautiful front seat with white stitching. Up here we have the light control. One touch open, close and tilt moonroof. Mercedes-Benz emergency roadside assistance. Here is the universal garage door opener. Sun visor mirror with a card holder. Alright, let's take a look at the back seat. The back offers seating for 3, and the back seat does fold down 60 to 40 split for an additional cargo space. And here's the look to the front cabin. Looks really nice. Down here we have the dual air vent, storage compartment, and a 12-volt power outlet. The back does have a lot of space. It offers a lot of leg rooms, and it does feel really good in the back. There you have your light control for the back. Here's the rear armrest with dual cup holder. And here's the look to the back. Alright, let's pop the trunk. Alright, the ML350 offers a lot of cargo space. It offers 80.3 cubic feet of cargo space. And here we have the cargo cover. Just pull it to cover all your personal items. Here we have another 12-volt power outlet. Here's your spare tires. One touch close button. From the first impression to the last details, the M-Class interior is a heaven of rich refinement, with hand-polished wood and hand-fitted upholstery, and yet, while it's lovingly crafted with such overt value, it's a showcase of user-friendly technology, from its heated memory front seats to its class-leading entertainment options. Overall, the ML350 is a great luxury mid-size SUV that offers roomy accommodation for 5 and provides more second-row legrooms than most of its competitors. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoy it. Go ahead and leave me a comment below letting me know what you guys think about the 2014 ML350. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. I'll see you guys next time.